What is real sustainability? It is understanding the full and lasting impact of our design choices and reducing the carbon footprint over the building's entire lifetime, from cradle to grave. Two phrases you will often hear are embodied carbon and operational carbon. Embodied carbon is the amount of carbon emitted during the creation of the building and its materials. Operational carbon is the amount of carbon emitted during the life of the building and maintaining those materials. The building industry is focused on decarbonisation. The current method for measuring the CO2 impact of each material is through a life cycle assessment using Environmental Product Declarations, or EPDs for short. Unfortunately, EPDs assume the study period for a building's life is only 60 years, which is just 1% of the age of the oldest fired bricks in the world, made 6,000 years ago and are still here today. This is important because durable products with extensive longevity such as clay brick prolong the expected life of a building, resulting in a lower carbon footprint for every year of use. Brick can then go on to be reused and recycled to live a second and sometimes even third life or more, benefiting multiple generations. We often hear the brick industry say clay products last over 200 years. This is more than 3 times longer than EPDs measure the carbon impact, therefore designers do not receive life cycle assessments reflective of the true lifespan of their building. Brick is non-toxic and requires little to no maintenance. It's non-combustible and improves the thermal and acoustic building values, equating to 0 operational carbon. Other building materials need much greater levels of maintenance, often reliant upon chemical processes which lead to a considerably higher operational carbon footprint. Many of these non-clay materials will often require complete replacement several times over a building's 200-year lifespan, multiplying both the embodied and operational carbon footprints several times over. In reality, when measuring your building's design over its true lifespan, clay brick is one of the least carbon-intensive building materials you can use. At Michelmersh, we know exactly what goes into creating our products and meticulously calculate the embodied carbon figures, providing completely transparent data from extraction to drying, firing and delivery. To be truly sustainable, we believe in designing buildings that are both adaptable and multi-generational, so that the environment and our children's children will benefit from the choices we make today. Think longer. Design for 200 years. Not 20.